it's going well. And so how many more hours do we have to go? Well, on TVC, as long as it takes. We'll be here.
Yes.
One team will be handing over to us. Now, that's what I predicted.
It's going to happen.
Yes, there you go.
And that's the joy of a process, because you can easily
know what the next thing is
going to happen. That is a system that works. So come round this way. They tell him, first one is for the president.
Okay, now the presidential.
He's doing what he shouldn't do. That he said he's doing it.
Should the president be showing us that thing?
He shouldn't be doing that.
Should he,
but he's doing it for naysayers like me. So that people like me will not say...
Mr. President, the other way around. Don't the other way around, Mr. President.
This is why I've always had a problem with this president. Okay.
Mr. President pulled it on itself. Well, how about Aisha? Aisha did the same.
Hey, this guy, put your camera down now.
Yes. Okay, interesting scene there. So, as I said, we're waiting on